Olá,
boa
boa tarde.
tarde. We're coming to you from Tomar today, the Castelo do Tomar. And this week has been a frenzy of renovations as we're preparing for our friend Coco's arrival.
Hi, hola.
Fresh from Canada.
So, of course, we decide to knock out a wall less than a week before our guests arrive.
Let the demolition begin.
And this will be our dining room. At some point, we're going to take out this fireplace so we have some more room in here and put in a small wood burner. Okay, and this heads into the living room.
So after a night of partying...
Holy crap! So this is what happens when I go for a birthday party and, you know, I'm gone for 24 hours.
Yeah, this is what happens when you don't bug me. I can get work done.
What was that?
I said, you're welcome.
Did I hear you say you're hungry? You would like me to make lunch?
Make my lunch, woman. You see this?
That's an awesome job. Why did I believe you that it didn't come down? Oh, it looks so much better in here.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe, that was a good idea. Now we need to clean up the mess.
I've already got most of it.
Oh, I can see that. It's most of it gone already. So now that the wall is gone and most of the debris is out of the way, we're going to remove the ceiling up here. It's the last of the original ceilings that has lots of water damage and bug damage, and it's not any good. So it's time for it to go.
There you go.
So this was our crazy plan to make our stone hearth the focal point of our home. We knocked out a wall. So we now have a combined open plan living room, dining room. And you can see the stone hearth from the front door as you enter our house. So that is our current setup. We still have some chaos and clutter going on because it is still a construction zone, but it's comfortable and cozy for our guest. I've taken apart one of the 3 IKEA chairs that we were given. Now these chairs were used outdoors, so they have a little bit of weather damage, which I'm working on correcting. Starting with the worst one, so you can see the damage on the side here. The lady who gave us these chairs has dogs, and when one of them was a puppy, they decided to chew the front end of the seat of the chair. So what I'm going to do is recut the ends of this chair flush with the front of the chair. So that is going to eliminate not all of the damage, but it will eliminate most of the damage, hopefully. So that's the plan. So I'm lining my square up with this side of a piece of wood and marking my line. I don't want to get it right to this piece here, or I will end up damaging the fabric when I try to cut it. So I have left a couple millimeters, so not a lot of room for error, but hopefully it's enough. Now, once you have your cut started, it's easier to go from this direction because the blade is going to take the path of least resistance, so it's more likely to follow the cut that you've already started as opposed to wandering and cutting more crooked. So that's the plan anyway. So there we go. We didn't eliminate all of the damage, but I've eliminated a fair amount, and I'll just attempt to round these edges a little bit more I'll attempt to round these edges a little more than they normally would be to hide the damage on this side. Now for these pieces, I have the benefit of the little dowel pegs, and that means I can put a coat of wood stain on all sides, and there's air circulation, it can dry evenly, and it goes just a little bit faster. I've been working on one of the IKEA chairs for a little over a week now. You can see the one on the left has a lot of weathering because it has spent 2 wet, rainy Portuguese winters on a balcony, a covered balcony, but still outdoors. And the one on the right was stored in a basement for the winters, so it is in very good condition. And we actually had 2 that looked like the one on the left. So you can see the arms in the middle are from the chair that I took apart. I started with the most damaged one, completely sanded it down, and I have 1 coat of wood stain on it. So I'm hoping after the second coat, it's going to look very similar to the original finish. I have one of the IKEA chairs refurbished. So the one on the left is what it looked like when I started, and the one on the right is the one that I have sanded down and used wood stain. Eventually I'm going to make a new cushion cover as well, but that is what we have. So we have 3 comfortable chairs at the moment, and eventually we'll have a 4th. I did misplace some of the hardware, so I had to steal it from this one. So I'm going to have to find some replacements. But in the meantime, we have 3 chairs for lounging.
We're sharing our frugal lifestyle with our friend Coco during her visit here.
So this was our dinner this evening. It worked out to less than €2 per person. And stay tuned for a Portuguese vacation on a budget. We're going to bring you with us for an affordable vacation. We went shopping at Lidl on the way home, and we got all of this for under €50. So we have 2 packages of tortilla wraps. We have 4 packages of hamburger buns, some beans,
some mushrooms, 6 cans of chopped tomatoes, spring rolls, some little cheesecake dessert things, a couple of mini Stollen, some puff pastry, vegetables to make soup. We got 4 packages of entremela fatiada, so it's similar to like really thick bacon strips, I guess, like uncured bacon. I don't know what else to compare it to. We got a couple slices of beef, some pork sausages, some pork chops, and a couple packages of bockwurst, which is similar to cervela or knockwurst. So a lot of this is just going straight in the freezer, but that is our groceries for the next week or more. It's about 5 o'clock and the sun will be going down behind the hill shortly. So Grant is getting the barbecue fired up. I'm ready to cook me some chicken.
I like chicken.
I just found a little hedgehog by our garden. I think he's scared. I didn't see him at first, so I almost stepped on him. But hello, little guy. Hey. He's pretty cute. Okay, back up, you guys. Leave him alone. No, he's not for eating. Come on. Come on, Betty. Let's go get some spinach. Come. Come. Leave the hedgehog alone. Come on. Come. Come. There you go. Hi. Yeah, leave him alone. At least they listen. All right. So, I worked a little bit later today, and I picked some New Zealand spinach and a little bit of basil, and now I'm going to cut a few of the Swiss chard. So these ones are looking really good. Have to get them before the snails do. The snails are starting to cause quite a bit of damage in the garden. And yeah, I don't know what this is from. Maybe too much rain. Should probably be doing this in the daylight. Oh, there's a snail. So there you go. They're eating my spinach. They're eating my Swiss chard. And they're demolishing most of my basil as well. So these plants don't look too bad. Maybe I'll get a little bit of oregano. So you can see, there's a good example of what the snails have been doing.
I just went out and picked some rainbow chard, some basil, and New Zealand spinach. So I'm going to saute that with garlic and mushrooms to go with the chicken.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Take care
and we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye.